Good morning, Comox Valley. My name is JASMEET, and I'm here today with the walk around of 2021 Hyundai Elantra. We got this as a used vehicle trade-in. One owner, no accident. Bought it brand new in Campbell River, island driven only. Serviced here, and she traded in for a 2024 Tucson Hybrid. It's a hybrid for 26,899. The Hyundai promise you will be getting 10-year warranty coverage for the as low as 6.29% bi-weekly. About the features of this car. Got about 80% tires left. Keyless entry, push button, leather interior. No pets, non-smoker. Beautiful color. Does have a sunroof, heated seats, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, auto high beam, phone connectivity for Apple Play, Android Auto. Super low kilometers. It's got only 62,000 K. Different drive modes as well. Under the hood, it is equipped with the 1.6 liter turbo with the hybrid motor. Still got some factory warranty left. With the full tank you will be getting approximately 800-900 kilometers. If not, then we do have some new Elantras, gas powered, with 2 liter, 1.6 liter turbos. We do have N lines available, starting from preferred model, going all the way to N line, different colors. Let me know what you think, and if you want to come test drive, call JASMEET at Comox Valley Hyundai or visit us at this page just opposite to Costco. Thank you.